At 10 something in the morning, we're eating ice cream. And my dip and stuff is over here.
And I'm about to smash stick and some Pop-Tarts.
Yeah, so you know, if you didn't know by now, I'm not really a breakfast person. But, yeah.
3 scoops can.
This is the best water ever. I also have my kiwi right there. This stuff is the best water ever. So now we are on our way. So now we are on our way to Kendra's room.
Are you doing the pancake or the? I'm doing the waffle for the Christian Daddy swag. I'm doing pancake. That's your pancake. Nah, that's the white girl. No, he got the white girl.
Yeah. Now we are all just getting ready to go out. Ain't that right? Say hey, y'all.
You gotta put every goddamn trail to the time we're for. I don't know what people know what the fuck we doing.
This YouTube. This my YouTube vlog.
Fuck I don't want to be on your vlog. Somebody watch your shit. I watched one video. Your eyelash fell off.
I subscribed and unsubscribed. This was fun.
Bitch, you talking about?
Right now I'm outside, or the place where we're staying, and it feels so good outside. I think right now we're about to go get tattoos. Well, they're about to go get tattoos, and I plan on getting my tattoo before I graduate. After I graduate, my second tattoo after I graduate. So I won't be getting anything, and I'm not sure. We're supposed to go to the beach this morning, but it took me forever to get ready. Goddamn, this is the perfect time. She was in LA City, out of cities though. But I was still staring at the city.
Nah, they put Nick's playing triple lights PlayStation. This goes out to kill me.
Somebody rip.
Tell you the truth.
Someone who loves you for you. Someone who knows all of your much. I've been on the search and I'm losing my hope. Is that too much? Is that too much? Trying to
Everybody in the damn
I just want an answer. I can't be the only one.
But you said you got a diet. Bitch, you gonna record me saying that.
Making my way. And I miss you.
It's I need you.
And I need you.
Yeah.
And now I wonder, God, do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I